Today I'm going to show you how to find the sine, cosine and tangent of angle 45. We are going to employ the method of using a right triangle with two sides, each having 1 unit in length, and we can find this side here, the length of this side here, by employing the Pythagoras theorem, which states that the sum of the square of two adjacent sides equals to the square of the hypotenuse side. The hypotenuse side is the side which is opposite the right angle, and the adjacent sides are those other sides which are not the hypotenuse side. So if you simplify this one, you get 1, and this is x squared. If you add these two, you get 2 equals to x squared. Because we are looking for this length, we need to find the value of x by putting the radical sign here. You square on both sides, and this sign and this will cancel. So you will get x equals to square root of 2. So the length of this hypotenuse side here is square root of 2. Now remember, this triangle is a right triangle, and this angle is 90 degrees. Now, because this side equals to this side, this angle and this angle must be equal. And if they are equal, it means this angle here is 45 degrees and this angle here is 45 degrees. Now, we should use one of these angles, either this or this, to find the sine, cosine, and tangent of this angle 45. Now, remember, the easiest way to memorize the sine, cosine, and tangent of these angles is to use this table in which you put these letters, where this is a ratio, which means sine equals to opposite of hypotenuse, tangent equals to opposite of adjacent, and cosine equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, if you want to find the sine of angle 45, you will take opposite over hypotenuse. And in this case, the opposite to angle 45 is 1, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. Now, you need to rationalize the denominator here by multiplying to square root of 2 to both the hypotenuse and to both the numerator and the denominator. So here you have square root of 2, square root of 4, which is square root of 2 over 2. That is sine of angle 45. If you want to get the cosine of angle 45, you will take adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, the adjacent to angle 45 is 1, and the hypotenuse is 2. We repeat the same process as above, rationalizing the denominator for this value. You multiply it to the value in the denominator, which is square root of 2. So here you have square root of 2 over square root of 4. When it's simplified, you get square root of 2 over 2. The tangent value of angle 45 is obtained by this ratio here, which is opposite over adjacent, which equals to the opposite to angle 45 is 1, and the adjacent side to angle 45 is 1, and when it's simplified you get 1. You may tabulate these values as follows. Here you write sine, cosine, and here you write tangent, and here you write angle 45. And then you write the sine value here for angle 45, which is square root of 2 over 2. The cosine value for angle 45, which is square root of 2 over 2. And the tangent value for angle 45, which is 1. Thank you for listening.